We as designers can control those costs if you are transparent with us. If you're not transparent, you cannot. I mean, we could give you beautiful dreams, but if you cannot build it, then those dreams are sort of watered down. Change is inevitable. So I invite you to our discussion about design in practice, to agree or disagree with me, because every thought counts. Fortunately or unfortunately, value engineering is equated to cost reduction. And perhaps it should not be, or cost cutting as they call it. I think there is a merit in value engineering, but who does value engineering, to what extent, is a dialogue which needs to be had, and that dialogue is missing. People are coming at different stages of the project cycle, looking at the same thing. It's like each person looks at the different parts of an elephant and sort of says, this is what it is, and it's exactly the same thing. And the designer needs to have that ability. His talent, his construction technique, material knowledge, and availability of that material. He needs to be cognizant of, at that point of time, what is available and what can reduce the cost. We need to be flexible. We need to have that ability to understand what defines our vision. Does that piece of furniture define our vision, or does that flooring define our vision? Can we do it in many other ways? So first of all, I think there should be a transparency on what the budgets are. So there is a budget, there is an anticipated budget, and there is a sort of a leverage in the budget, right? And sometimes you really can't anticipate what can go wrong on site. But if there is a fixed budget, you have to work within. So it's nobody's fault, but at the end of it, you need to reduce the cost. When you talk to the client, please tell him that you want to be involved in the process of the construction. Tell him that in whatever way, in whatever ability, to tell him that you will be able to guide the process much better. The scope of work can be defined by yourself, but please tell him that I want to be involved when the construction is going on. If you need to change your material, I'm here to help you. If you need to reduce the cost, I can tell you where to help to reduce it. The said and the unsaid, you need to be there till that whole process is complete. I think you're the expert, hold the hand of your client till the end. Just don't do pretty pictures and go away.